Helga the Eitor och hindra al-Iska. I ask you, holy forces to the south, to come forth, form a shield wall, and protect this sacred space. Odin, the Allfather, father of the gods and of man. We know full well the stories of your birth, of your life, of how you and your brothers, Vili and Ve, destroyed the evil giant Ymir and created the world from his flesh and bones. We know how you traveled your world, your new creation, and found driftwood and gave it life and hue and memory and thought, and created Ask and Embla, the first man and woman, our original ancestors. Odin, Allfather, thou Father, we ask you to come forth, to join us here in this Ve, for this Sigrblot, for victory for the coming year, that we may triumph in all that we endeavor to do, that we may bask in the glory of the gods of the north, as people, as descendants, as your children, as your line. We ask you to come, join us, be with us, accept our blessings, accept our offerings, and allow us to give you thanks and Blot for all that you have done for us. Hail, Grandfather, hail Odin.
Hail Odin.
Hail Odin.
Hail. Odin, I ask that you bless this offering, this mead, brewed by our own hands, brewed for this purpose, to give you honor, to pay honor to you and the other gods and all the creatures of the north and all the spirits of the land and all of our ancestors. We ask you to bless this and infuse it with strength and wisdom and stamina and vitality and all the things that we, as humans, as your creations, crave and need to be successful. We ask this in your name. Hail Odin.
Hail Odin.
Use. Odin, we thank you for those blessings, and we ask that you receive our thanks in our words for the blessings that we recognize that you have bestowed on our lives. Hail Odin.
Hail Odin.
Odin, wise one.
Odin, I see the examples that you show us in the lore, and I see the trials that you put yourself through, the mistakes you make, and the way you overcome them. And I see that people look and they think, wow, how great would it be to have two ravens, thought and memory, scouring the world and reporting everything to you. What a blessing that must be. But I don't see that. I see the curse of having one foot firmly planted in your mistakes of the past as memory, and I see one foot firmly planted in anxiety over the future as your thought. I see Hugin and Munin as a curse and not a blessing. And people revere you for pulling out your own eye for wisdom. But they don't think of the struggle you had to learn to navigate the world with only one eye after that. The struggle of pulling out an eye was easy. The decision to do it was a no-brainer. But living with that decision is the hard part. I see these examples that you set for us in the lore, and I try to learn from them when things get hard. Or when I have a small victory that turns into a big curse. I see it in the example that you set for us, and I thank you for that, because it gives me the strength to move forward. For that, hail Odin.
Hail Odin.
Is there any other work to be performed?
Yes.
Odin to bless my runes. Seems fitting.
Odin, I ask that in the company of all these great people, that you bless these runes. Let them be used as a tool for divination, a tool for introspection, a tool for discovery and for learning. Never a tool to be used against anyone for any reason, whether it be justified or not. Hail Odin.
Hail Odin.
Hail Odin.
Hail Odin.
Thank you. Hail.
Welcome. Any other
Yeah.
work? Okay, we're moving into Ostara. Now, I can have you all gather around the table. The object here, this, what is this?
No,
An egg. Who thinks it's an egg?
The seed.
It's a seed. This is the seed for our prosperity, for all our hopes and desires. So if you can find 1, 2, 3, 4 runes that kind of display the things that you want out of this next year, the effort that you're going to put forward, the things that you want to accomplish, go ahead and inscribe those runes on those eggs, and then hold on. Nordic tradition of Sigrblot, a victory blow to Odin at this time of the year. We honor Ostara with planting the seeds of fertility for this year. So the Sigrblot would generally be done for victory for the summer raids. But we don't do raids in the summer, but we have our own lives, we have our own jobs, we have our own ways of earning our income, and none of them involve raiding England. Whatever your pursuits are, whether they be physical or whether you're working in construction or you're working in medical, whatever your pursuits are, whatever your goals are in the year, find these. I have meanings here to transcribe on here, and we're essentially taking this and saying this is representative of what we want to accomplish in this year, and so we're going to put all of our effort and our heart into it, and we're going to feed it into the earth so the earth can have that fertility, and it will gift us back our path to our goals. That's all we do. We just grab 3 runes that represent what we want. You would probably want to have a journey rune on yours, because I know you're not going to sit still. So, and then when we're done, we'll plant them and we'll give them back to the earth, so the earth will give back to us. Because a gift for a gift is the Nordic way.
Gabo, you said Gabo.
Gabo, we say Gabo.
Thank you.
Okay, so take your time. There's no hurry here. Take your time. Look at the words here. Figure out what really speaks to you. 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't care. Write as many runes on it as you can. Spell your name. It's all good. You can't do this wrong. I'll have everybody come down here in a minute and put some dirt on it. But so as we bury these seeds of prosperity, we ask Mother Earth to look after us, take care of us, and give us maybe not what we asked for, something along the lines of our aiding us in our goals and our intentions. We don't always ask for what we need, but we ask Mother Earth to provide whatever that looks like in our worlds.
I am proud of you.
Here, come on.
You're standing here with us. I love it.
It was important that I stood for this one.
Absolutely.
All right, we're like Thundercats, except dirty hands unite.
I'm gonna need some of that.
Dirty hands. Dirty hands. Dirty hands are prosperous hands.
Yes, they are. Yeah.
One.
Get your hand up.
Allfather, Odin, we thank you for joining us, for taking part in our ritual, for blessing us, and for being here to witness our Ostara and our Sigrblot. We ask you to stick around, come to the house, feast with us, laugh with us, stick around for Sumble, and enjoy the company of your kin. When you feel the time is right to head home, we ask that any creatures you come across along the way, you inform them that there are still good people, good heathens here in Midgard that honor the old ways and the old gods and our ancestors and the land, just as we did 1,000, 2,000, and 3,000 years ago. We ask you to join us, to stay with us for always, and to always come back and visit whenever you feel the need. Hail Odin.
Hail Odin.
And we bid you good journey home. Send him home, baby girl. This bloat has ended. Thank you all.
Group hug!
Careful of Sigurd! Gentle hug on Sigurd! Gentle hug with Sigurd!